If you can hang a picture, you can hang your bamboo shades in no time. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Grab these simple tools and let's get started. All bamboo or woven wood shades have the same basic parts, the shade itself and the necessary mounting hardware. Depending on your specific product, the hardware and headrail may be different than the ones I'll be using in this video. The steps for installing them are pretty much the same though, so take a quick look at the install guide that came with your shade to check for any differences. Bamboo shades are one of the easiest window coverings to put up. The one I'm putting up today has these handy slots on the ends, which makes it super easy to position your brackets and attach the headrail to the window. Today, I'm installing this cordless shade as a top or ceiling mount, but you could also install it as a side mount if you want. To make sure the shade is flush with the edge of the window, I'm going to simply set it inside the top of the window like this, then make a mark through each slot where the bracket will go. Measure between your two marks to make sure they're even and aligned before drilling in the brackets. Starting on the left side of the window, take a bracket and with the bolt facing down, position it over your mark. Using the holes in the bracket, mark the two spots where you'll insert the mounting screws. Do the same to position the bracket on the right side. To make drilling the screws in easier, I always recommend drilling pilot holes first. Don't go too deep though, just enough to get the screw started. Now, go ahead and drill the screws into place through each bracket. Now that the brackets are in place, let's put up the shade. With the front of the shade facing you, use the slot holes as a guide to position the headrail over the bottom of the drop bolts. With one hand, pull the valance up above the headrail to expose the bottom of the bolts. With your other hand, reach up under the shade and attach the wing nuts to secure the headrail to the window. Now that everything's in place, pull the shade down and back up again to make sure it works. Voila! Your new bamboos are ready to roll. If you need to remove your shades, just lift up the valance and reach underneath to unscrew the wing nuts. Then simply lift them out by the headrail. We hope you enjoy your beautiful new bamboo shades from Select Blinds. If you have any questions or need any additional help, please call us or visit our website at any time.